Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Someone ran in behind me.
No one's hurt, right? Oh boy. Alright, so we should be hitting this meet pretty dope, pretty soon. We just stopped to get gas because we don't know what the fuck we're gonna get into, so. But yeah, we got the squad here. Jixer, S1K, R1, 300, 600. Another Jixer. Take it easy. Just relax. Just chill. Enjoy the ride. Don't do anything stupid.
I don't like that.
There you go. Don't do anything stupid.
Hey, look. Look at me. Look, just my hand on the throttle. That's all I'm giving you.
Stupid. Never take this fool anywhere. Anywhere nice. Alright, so we heading there now. Oh, did I not turn my damn headset on? What was my headset? Now it's on. Okay, cool. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What the hell are we waiting on? That's what's taking them so long. We just cruising. Damn, it's so hard not to be loud with this damn bike. Damn, that moon is bright. Just stay quiet, just stay quiet, quiet, quiet. What do you do when you can't stay quiet? Neutral. Alright. I don't even know what this meet's gonna be like. Or who's gonna show up to it. I've never been back here. This shit is crazy.
Alright, so obviously I forgot to record and my GoPro died and I hate charging it because, you know, I'm not good at charging it, but I got to the meet, it was lit. Here you go. Sheesh! We out here. Got all the guys out, we rolling out at 12 o'clock, should be dope. Let's get it. Got the squad here. Got my bike. Ooh, she looking good.
Alright, we're back. We out here, we going out to a cruise. I got the address where we're going to stop. But we got everything out here. As in all the cars and I missed that. Yeah, we basically at the front of the line already. God damn. There's hella gravel on the ground. We out here. Let him go. We basically at the front already. Oh shit. We out here. Damn, it's hella traffic. Already? Oh shit. Guy down. No. No. Bike down. Watch out, watch out. Damn. Damn. She good? Are they okay?
Yeah, they're good, they're good.
Everyone's okay?
Girl, this is girl. That fucking, look at the sand right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's a bunch of sand, and she just swerved into the wall.
In the wall and then hit the wall and then that way?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
But she's good though.
Yeah, she's good, she's good.
Okay, she's just like all scared?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just want to collect the parts, you know.
Okay. As long as she's good, everything's good. Obviously the car's fucked, but
They're all good.
as long as it matters, they're good. Let's go. Everyone's okay.
Go first.
That's all that matters. Everyone's okay. Just the S1K broke down. There's nothing wrong with it, so we're straight. No one's hurt, so that's good. All right, we had an incident, but we're all good. Everyone's all good. Everyone's safe, so that's good. That's all that matters. Now we're just gonna go to the meet. I have the spot where we're gonna end, so hopefully we're good. Found the squad. No one? Yep, let's go. Holy shit. Oh, cramp, cramp, cramp. Cramp, cramp. SS Camaro. What up, squad?
Say your name out loud. Hi. So where were you guys at when I crashed? We were in the back. Like, y'all were in the back. You were in there.
Yes, sir. We out here. Let's go.
If they die, they die. I don't even know. I don't even know.
Alright, till then, it's Popo right here, as you can see, and we got kicked out, so, third spot, here we go. through here. Thank you. Damn. I need gas, so I'm gonna grab gas.
Alright, so this is where I forget to record and my GoPro dies, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I will try to do an exit video pretty soon. I got some more content coming soon. I hope y'all subscribe, like, comment. I'll see y'all on the next one. Shark Nation out. Let's go.